Revitalize Your Health, a simple 30-day plan to thrive in perimenopause. Are you tired of feeling exhausted, moody, and out of balance during perimenopause? We've got the solution for you. Introducing Revitalize Your Health, a simple 30-day plan to thrive in perimenopause. Day 1. Let's start with nutrition. Eat a well-balanced diet filled with fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein. Stock up on hormone-balancing foods like flax seeds, broccoli, and berries. Day 5. Incorporate regular exercise into your routine. Exercise not only helps manage weight gain, but also reduces hot flashes and boosts mood. Try activities like yoga, walking, or swimming to find what works best for you. Day 10. Prioritize self-care. Take time for yourself. Whether it's through meditation, taking a relaxing bath, or indulging in a hobby, self-care helps reduce stress and promotes overall well-being. Day 15. Improve sleep quality. Create a calming bedtime routine, limit caffeine intake, and establish a regular sleep schedule. A good night's sleep is essential for hormone regulation and energy levels. Day 20. Supplement wisely. Consult with your healthcare provider to determine if supplements like calcium, vitamin D, and omega-3 fatty acids are right for you. These can support bone health, mood, and heart health. Day 25. Manage stress. Practice stress-reducing techniques such as deep breathing exercises, journaling, or engaging in activities that bring you joy. Lowering stress levels can help alleviate symptoms of perimenopause. Day 30. Celebrate your progress. You've completed the 30-day plan and are well on your way to thriving in perimenopause. Remember to continue following these healthy habits for ongoing benefits. Thank you for joining us on this transformative journey. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks to support your health and wellness throughout perimenopause and beyond.